Hello guys, today I'm gonna just show y'all step one of how to solve the 4x4x4 Rubik's Cube, also known as the Rubik's Revenge. And if y'all have already seen my previous videos of how to solve the 3x3, the idea is basically to essentially convert this 4x4 and reduce it to a 3x3. And I'm just going to show y'all how to do that. So one thing about the cube is there's no defined centers, because this is any even shaped cube does not have centers. You have to create them. And for step one, guys, all I'm going to simply do is show y'all how to create a white center. So a center would have to be these four pieces. These four pieces would have to all be white for it to eventually be considered a white center. So here's what we're going to do. We find other white centerpieces, not corners, not edges, centerpieces. And we simply want to line them up. So we create a bar. So this right here is a bar. And when you do it more times, it becomes more second nature. So now we have to find the other pieces. Here's one. And the other one is down here on the opposite side of the white face. So what we do now is we just simply twist this guy right here. And remember, we want this piece right here. So we want it to be the bottom. And now we just pull it down, line it up. And then one more time. We have a bar right here. We have room for a bar right here. So we just twist it. It's that easy. So just find the white pieces. Try to create a bar. And then when you create the bar, go ahead and just line them up, one next to the other. Step one, the white center. All right, thank you guys. Like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Appreciate your time, and I'll be making more videos.